Welcome back to Civil Engineers YouTube channel. In this short video lecture, I will guide you for design criteria for staircase. You can see this is a diagram for staircase and I will guide you for its design criteria. If you are new on this channel, so you may subscribe the channel and like the video. If you have already subscribed the channel, so you may like the video. This is very important for you people to know about the design criteria before starting commercial building, staircase or residential building. If you see guys, the first one is the width of the stair should be sufficient for two persons to pass on it simultaneously and for furniture and other things to carry it up and down the stair. It means the stair width should be sufficient to pass for two persons. Next, for taking furniture, especially up and down from the ground floor to the first floor or second to the third floor and other things to carry up and down the stairs. Okay, so this is the most important thing. The next one is guys here, the minimum width of the stair should not be less than 80 centimeter or you can say 0.8 meter. In any case, it should not be less than this. Okay, so this is the minimum width of the stair. Next, for residential building, width should be at least 90 centimeter for residential building. Normal residential building, if you are using for G+1 story or 2 story, it should not be less than 90 centimeter or you can say not less than 3 feet or 0.9 meter. This is very important. Next, for public building should be between 1.5 to 1.8 meter. Between 1.5 to 1.8 meter, but for commercial building, mean public building. This is very important to know. If you are using less than 1.5 meters, you will face more problems in the future because that is not suitable for using two person or more than this, because in public area we have more people there, so in a crowd it is not especially for using. Okay, next, if the width is more than 1.8 meter, this is very important. If you see from 1.5 to 1.8 meter between for public building, so if the width is more than 1.8 meter, so central handrail should be provided. Okay, handrail as we are using for the supporting, so handrail is very important. If we have more than 1.8 meter, so central handrail is important there. Next, angle of stair should be between 25 to 40 degree. Otherwise, if you are going more than 40 degrees, so that is very difficult to use it, especially for commercial building or residential building. It should be between in this, but normally I'm recommending you can use normally 33 degrees as best. Okay, next, for residential building, riser height should not be more than 7 inches. For what? For residential building. And tread should not be more than 11 inches and also not less than 10 inches. Not less than 10 inches and not more than 11 inches. So guys, this is the design criteria for the staircase. And normally as a steel structure design, if you are talking about this, so the waist should not be less than 3 inches and next use minimum 12 millimeter die of steel rod with the spacing of 6 inches center to center. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.